Now let us discuss 100. Match the list 1 with list 2. In this type of questions, you can easily answer by elimination technique. By using of elimination technique, you can easily answer this type of matching questions. Okay. Here list 1 are reactions and list 2 named reactions. Here their names. I start with the esterification. Why? Because it is very simple. Its reaction is esterification means when reaction of alcohol reacted with acid. Now let us suppose R CH2 COOH in the presence of H plus to form an ester. That means CH2 C double bond O bond R to form an ester. This is called the esterification. Now let us verify the reactions in list 2. Okay, here C is matches with 4. Now let us verify the given options. C is conformly fixed, that is 4. C is 4. Why? Because it is a very simple reaction. Definitely C is 4. Here C is 4, okay. Here C is 2. You can easily eliminate option 2. Why? Because C damn surely C equal to 4. Why? Because it's an esterification reaction. Now let us see C equal to 1. You can eliminate this option also. And here C equal to 3. No, damn surely C equal to 4. That is esterification. You can eliminate this option also. The only option left with is option A is the correct answer. Now let us verify the remaining options are matches or not. Okay, here equal to 2. That means when you observe this reaction, this is one of the most important named reaction, that when benzene reacted with carbon monoxide in the presence of HCl and anhydrous conditions to form benzaldehyde. This is an Gatterman-Koch reaction. Here A equal to 2. You're absolutely right. Then come to the B. When R bond C double bond O CH3 in the presence of NaOX, this is called an haloform reaction. To produce the haloforms of CHCl3, CHI3, and so on. These are called the haloform reactions. The last one is Hell-Orhard-Jelanski reaction. D. That means here produces of alpha halogen is produced. That means R bond here X bond C double bond O OH. This reaction is called the Hell-Orhard-Jelanski reaction. Here B becomes 3, absolutely right, and C becomes 4, esterification, and D equal to 1. In this way, you can answer this matching type of questions. Here, simple trick is to go with elimination.